Hello everyone, this is Enya here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this rainbow colored hexagon spiral in Affinity Designer. This figure is made of an hexagon whose sides are set to different colors. The hexagon is then duplicated and rotated to create this spiral, which looks like the helix of a DNA. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimensions. And then we go to the Margin tab and we uncheck Include Margin. And then we make sure that snapping, snap to spread, and snap to object bounding box is enabled. And then we're going to start drawing the figure. So we take the polygon tool and we set the number of size to 6. We set the fill to none. We leave the stroke as black. And we set the stroke width to 1.5. And then, starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the 1:1 proportions, we go ahead and we create an hexagon of about 700 by 700 pixels in dimensions. And then we select the hexagon. The next step is going to be to break it in order to be able to set each of its sides to a different color. So in order to do that, we go to Layer, Convert to Curve. So now the hexagon is converted into curves. What that means is now we can make adjustments to it with the node tool. So we take the node tool and we select all 6 nodes. And then we go here to Break Curve to break the hexagon at each of the nodes. So now each of the sides of the hexagon is turned into a different object. And we can set the different sides to different colors. So we are going to set each side of the hexagon to the primary and secondary colors of the color wheel. So we'll add the color codes in the description below so that you can follow along with me. So we copy the color. And then we set it as a stroke color. And this sets the color to blue. And then we're going to continue the process with Magenta. So we select the second sides of the hexagon. And we set the stroke color to Magenta. And then we copy the code for red. And we set the third side of the hexagon to red. And then we set the fourth side to yellow. And then we set the fifth to green. And then the last one to cyan. So now we have set the colors to each of the sides of the hexagon. The next step is we select all 6 sides of the hexagon and we press on Ctrl G to group them together. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate the hexagon. So we press on Ctrl J to duplicate it. And then we scale it down while holding Ctrl until there is a thin white space between both hexagons. And then we rotate the duplicated hexagon to the left until it touches the first hexagon. And then we press on Ctrl J to power duplicate to have all the other hexagons that we need for the figure. Alright, so now we have completed the rainbow spiral. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye.